Hey there, trike fans. I'm doing one more short for today. I just wanted to point out that I did a change from semi sintered pads to EBC organic pads in the rear. And a couple months ago, I addressed an issue where a rider had been complaining about their bike whining when it backs up. And I explained to them that if we're using semi sintered brake pads, the aspects, the pieces of metal that are in the pad itself, the little pieces of copper, they tend to lay flat with the direction of the wheel, the majority of its travel. So when you go backwards, those little aspects or rough pieces stand up and whine. Switch to organic. No more whine. All you hear is the machine noise. And I honestly prefer the organics. They're cleaner, they're easier on the hands, they're easier to clean up. So the brake job is done. You guys have a safe day. Peace.